side for some cluster.
Yeah, man.
Most of the camera and then think that when they look at criminal, them try running, you can't catch them funny. And you don't know, so this I could chuck the source that guy, I could see them drop off the people, them and things.
Yeah, man.
I try to plant out things that don't know free one.
For real, man. Yeah. Cecil, come on then. Yeah. Yes, Indian.
That's it now.
Yeah, man. You have some nice machete up there, so. Okay. Better 2,000 for one.
2,300 dollars. So we have saw, we have a copper, etc. Then the same way we have float.
Yeah, shovel. Yeah.
We have caulking gun. As you see, two different kinds. We have gloves. We have the floodlight, then portable floodlight, extension, door hanger.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, yes, so we have glue. We have lock off, we have screwdriver. We have file, we have hacksaw blade. Paintbrush for different sizes. Door lock. Tape measure. Inches.
Yeah, tape measure.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Screwdriver.
Screwdriver, tape. Glasses, work glasses. Clear and dark. Gloves. Rake. One different color, two kind of rake we have here.
Yeah, man.
Different color. Map. There. Construction bucket. Hose. We have three different sizes of hose. 25, 50 and 100 feet hose. We have brush. We have push broom. As I said, I have some spray gun up to flash band.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, whole saw for concrete. We have one set of
floodlights too.
and we have LED stringing light. As you see. Yeah. We have floodlight. Yeah, we have hammer, square. Have that. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'll go on, man.
I have wire brush. I try a couple type of soap. Some soap is very kind, but I try them see. They don't know, so we have other things in here. The wire furniture, they don't know, so them there. We have dresser. We have chester jar. We have night table figure with them. Headboard same way. Next Sunday it's the headboard. Oh yeah, not stop.
Come
back around so now you know, so we have some different things on this side. So we have different kind of spray guns there. About 4 or 5 different kind of spray guns. You see that? Yeah?
Yeah, man.
We have the shovel them.
Spray gun.
We have spray, yeah? We sell all things like this. We sell all jug, map, roller set, toilet brush, plunger.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Hacksaw. Yeah? Square. All the clock take the clock to buy, we take it on and sell it. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we have some nail gun the same way. Some of them I use, some of them new. We sell the new one them because we don't really need them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And them they are my working tool, I just see. See? See working tool them they don't have ground them.
Oh.
And tool we rent same way, you know?
Yeah, man.
Them they are some of my working tool. Them kind of chuck up and now because Indian busy.
Yeah.
See? And see the squad international world marshal champion sound there. You look about it all and so start hear it. Cause I so come a road, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So if you want to come back and have some Sunday, see what I'm going to do, I come out of place. And also on the work tool, same way. So Chris may have some door, but You know them door, you don't know how to go on them door. Them door, you look like them must start build you up. So me go.
You know, have some nice stuff in here. Nice stuff for people, nice stuff. Yes, my people, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, my people, bless upon yourself.
Yeah, my car was so yeah. Everything's through there, man.
Yeah, man.
I just time, you know, place not really done sort out yet and
Yeah.
you understand, but I take my time and chat on, you know?
Yeah, man.
Sorry. I take my time and chat on, so I don't know you.
Real, man.
Come on here, you know?
I'm saying,
Yeah, man. Thing not coming on one day. Time.
sure, man.
I want man in a building, you know? You never have to have people that make me have a father.
Aye.
You could not put in only for work for me thing them. True, me have to work people in the same time.
Yeah.
Kinda hectic.
Yeah, man.
I don't know every dollar count because the people them come with for them money help. Go and write that stuff so. Man, I tell them to come and get some good. So I have hammer and all them barrow. So I have barrow and leather and face basin and toilet bowl and sink and them something.
Yeah, man.
Them things they will come in anytime now, they buy already.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I saw I go, man. I just save money with them when I can't go around go buy Hennessy and just put it in there. So I just save certain set.
Smart, man.
No
Smart.
more than no Hennessy.
Yeah.
I mean, no involved and also, you know, say.
That type of tools.
If you go nowhere, if you give it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I give it some money for yourself.
True, man.
Understand?
Yeah.
Like how your sister work hard and treat herself.
Yeah.
Buy herself pretty things. That's how it's supposed to be. Work hard and buy yourself pretty things. You don't see pretty big when your sister buy. Nice. She deserves the youth.
There's some people back out on the road. I'm in Williamsfield, Manchester. Across from the old trail line. That's the old train station. Railway. So when the train them come, they used to stop over here back down in the days. These are some all used parts I'm off selling. Across on me police station. . What that, Donald? What go on with, man? You good? You go on the work? Alright, so big up yourself.
How come you see they have to put it on?
No, man.
Oh, the mad man.
Me not put it on up, man. Me not put...